Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this MG 3-button remote key fob. First, what we need to do is press this button here, which releases the metal clasp from around the side. We then need to remove the emergency key blade from its housing. We then get a flat-headed screwdriver, place it in the centre of the key fob, like so, and twist to release the two halves of the key fob casing. And there's your key fob battery. We get a smaller flat-headed screwdriver and get it under the key fob battery and remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing like so. First thing, what we need to do now to put it back together, we need to get this metal clasp on one half of the case, pop it back in like so. Now it's time to get the other half of the casing and make sure it is all lined up correctly, because it is quite a tricky one, this one, to pop it back together, so you're going to have to be careful and patient. Make sure everything is lined up and click it back in place. What we need to do now is pop the emergency key blade back into its location like so. And there you go, all done.